Greetings, kindergarten. Today for lesson 3, we are going to learn about the places in a community. Our learning target says we can describe different places in a community. Places in the Community by Karen Jones. A community is an area where people live, work, and play. There are many different places in a community. Let's learn about all of them. Parks are places outside. You can take walks, play on a playground, and see nature. Airports, bus, and train stations are places that take people and goods from place to place. Museums are big buildings. They have lots of neat things inside that people come to look at. Sports arenas are where local teams play sports. A grocery store is where people buy food. Malls and stores are places where people buy things. Churches are where people go to worship. Schools are where children go to learn. Hospitals are where people go when they are sick. Restaurants are where people go to eat. Police and fire stations are places where people work to keep us safe. A farm is where food is grown and animals are raised. A bank is a place where people keep their money or borrow money. A community is an area where people live, work, and play. All of the places in a community are important. All right, friends, for page 3, what you're going to do is read the sentences and trace all of the words that have the little dots. So you don't need to trace here is a, but what you will trace are the words park, store, hospital, airport, church, and bank. You can color the pictures if you would like, and don't forget to do the quick check at the bottom. Thanks a lot.